Jefferson Curl wall-assisted dumbbells. Are you looking for an exercise that can improve your spinal mobility, increase your pike and pancake progress, and even improve your handstand alignment? If so, you need some more Jefferson Curls in your life. Most people perform the Jefferson Curls incorrectly as they lack spinal segmentation awareness. I get it, I struggled with this for a while as well. But the nice thing about the wall-assisted Jefferson Curl is the feedback and the ability to train core compression unloaded. This variation of the Jefferson Curl is a progression from the wall-assisted top half Jefferson Curl. Make sure you master the top half before you progress to this movement. Start by standing next to a wall or an upright pole with your feet roughly 1 foot length away from the wall. Set a posterior pelvic tilt (PPT) by tucking your tailbone between your legs and pushing your lower back flat against the wall. It's best to perform the Jefferson Curl without weight to start. Over time, you can begin to load the exercise with the dumbbells. As you perform the Jefferson Curl, I want you to think about lengthening and flexing the spine. We lift and flex the cervical spine to take the chin to the chest. Next, we lift and flex the thoracic spine by slowly peeling one vertebrae at a time off the wall. Finally, we tilt the pelvis into an anterior pelvic tilt, APT, to take the weight to the floor. This can be very challenging for a lot of people. If you find a point where you struggle to move one vertebrae at a time, you should focus on this area by moving in and out of this range. Continue to lengthen and flex as you roll down the length of your spine and take the weights to the floor. As an added bonus, you can bend your elbows, suck your belly button in towards your spine, contract your hip flexors, and work on closing the angle between your legs and your torso. This allows you to build awareness of core compression strength and how to use these muscles to pull you into a much deeper Jefferson Curl actively. At this point, start to reverse the movement by opening the angle between the legs and the torso and straightening the arms. Next, slowly tilt the pelvis back and lift the dumbbells off the floor while maintaining thoracic and cervical spine flexion. Once the pelvis is flat on the wall, place one vertebrae on the wall at a time as you unroll the thoracic and cervical spine. It can be helpful to pull your belly button in towards your spine to round the back and increase the segmentation of the movement. Continue to unroll the thoracic spine, followed by the cervical spine, to return to the starting position. It would be best if you move slowly to build greater awareness in the Jefferson Curl. I'd recommend doing 3 to 5 reps for each set of this movement. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave a comment. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.